Look at this. So I normally don't do this, but I went ahead and got the Vettsy subscription box for March because it just had some really cool things in it and I had to do it. So I broke down and did it. I didn't do the full yearly membership. I just bought the one box because they'll let you do that. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what's in it. I'm super excited. Yes, I've already opened it. Yes, I've technically already unboxed it, but everything was just too good. I had to do like a pretend unboxing for those of you who haven't gotten this box yet. So let's take a look at what is inside. Okay, it is a bit of a mess because, like I said, I've already gone through it, but here we go. First of all, I have no idea what this is. I think we're supposed to collect these, and if you get a certain number of them, you cash them in. Yeah, if you know better than that, let me know because that kind of, I'm a little confused as to what this is. But anyway, I guess that's what that's about. So, tons and tons of stuff. Oh my goodness. So first of all, I've already pulled it apart, but we've got these. There are some crosses in here and some fleur-de-lis in here. So some pretty silver charms. And we've got a double-sided tool. So this side is a dotting tool and this side is a silicone brush, so no bristles, just the silicone. All right, more charms. These are butterflies, pretty cute. I'll be using these in the next few weeks. Some pretty four-leaf clovers, love them. Okay, what else we got? Oh, here are, hard to see, maybe I should take some out. These are little bunny charms, but their colors are variegated, so there's a bunch of different colors on each little bunny. So they're these funky little psychedelic bunnies, adorable. And this is the, what was this? This is a collection of bunnies and hearts and stars. So each set is a different color. They're really cute. The rabbit glitter set, I think they call this. Little dots in there, little stars, hearts. Cute. Okay, this is how to do a review. I'll put that over there because I'll probably do that. I got a bunch of stickers. So we've got some pretty pink animal print leopard stickers there. We've got some leopard, cheetah, whatever. And we got some tiger stripes and some more leopard, cheetah pattern stickers. We've got these butterflies, gold butterflies. We've got these, which I think are glow-in-the-dark butterflies. I'll bet they do. But I'm thinking those are glow-in-the-dark. More cards. All right, now we're getting into it. So this is a set of the macaron beads. Those are real cute. These I think would be really fun if you were doing the lazy girl method for some extensions with dual forms. We might have to do those just for giggles because those are really cute and I think that would be a fun thing to do with those. All right, this, guys, I have no idea what this is. I went and looked at the list of the packaging and this is not in the list. So I think what it is I think it is a gel that you can use to shape. I forget what it's called, but yeah, just a shaping, a sculpting, where you can actually put it between your fingers and rub it together and make, you know, snakes and things like that, to shapes to apply in 3D on your nails. So I think that's what this is. Definitely gel, but as you could see, let me open it back up. It's like, I mean, you saw when I touched it, it's not going anywhere. It's pretty tough stuff. So let me know. I think that's what that is. This, before I get into what's right here, they also sent the cutest little bag, square bottom, fabric bag, adorable, and it's feeling big and squishy because, wait till you see, because I shoved all some stuff that was in here, I shoved it all in here, and this was all in this box. Okay, this was all in this box. Check it out. This was all in this box. So there are, oh my gosh, there's the 2-in-1 cat eye pigment. There's the fun woolen set. There is the Iceland powder set. I'm probably missing something else, but anyway, so we've got, these are the woolens. And at first I didn't understand really what these were, but these, is there more? Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So these are the woolen. We've got a pink woolen, a green woolen, kind of a reddish, orangish woolen. And this has got some bluish tint in it. These are weird. These are, I'll have to think of something to do with these. If you've done something with these, share, because yeah, I'll have to think on these. But anyway, so all of those in that adorable bag. And then this is a 2-in-1 cat eye pigment, and this is in a lilac, pale purple lilac color. And then we've got, this is the Iceland powder set. So all of these powders, we've got the pink and the yellow and the lilac. They're all iridescent, and this really pretty blue. So these are going to be some fun spring nails. All right, now what else we got in here, because we ain't done. So there is the Aurora transfer foils. These are right now everybody's doing these on social media. Oh my gosh. So yeah, these are super cool. Where can I put those? Put those right there. We have gel, the solid gel polishes. So they sent 4 solid gels, 2 HEMA-free gels, 2 HEMA-free cat eyes, a base, and I did go ahead, I already opened them, I already swatched them, because, you know. So this is number 81, Mint. It's a solid, very pretty. These went on really well. I sometimes have problems with the solid gels because you can't brush them on the same way you brush on a regular gel polish, because you end up dragging it back off again. But when I was swatching these swatched pretty easily. I was happy. So this is number 16, Funk and Roll. Very pretty. We have 109 Barbie doll. This is a little iridescent. I don't know if my light is picking this up, but this is a little iridescent. It's really pretty. They're all really pretty. I know I keep saying that. And then the last solid one is number 111 Breeze. And this again is another iridescent. This one's more transparent. You know, you can kind of see through that a little bit more than the others. So either, you know, take advantage of that or add an extra layer. I put 2 layers on each one of these, so you can see that this one is kind of see-through. But anyway, little shimmer, very pretty. Then we've got the colors. So we've got base coat, lovely. We have juicy, and juicy looks like that. So yeah, that's really nice. Went on very nice. Lots of coverage, lots of pigment. Happy, happy. We have soda. Soda is a jelly, and it is like crazy highlighter. Super pretty. That is like, that's funky. I gotta think of something to do with that. So, a neon jelly. And then we have our cat eye. So this one is flowery, and this one goes on like that. So kind of a little see-through. You can see through that. So you might want something underneath this to enhance it, you know. They're pretty. And the last one, which is called Sun Kiss. Sun Kiss is a cat eye. It's a more subtle cat eye. Oh, can you see that? It's more subtle. But the color itself, there's glitter in the color. So it's a glitter cat eye, which is pretty cool. I don't know if I've seen much in the way of glitter cat eyes. But the glitter is all an opalescent glitter. So real pretty. And on the subject of doing cat eyes, they sent a little magnet. They sent a big magnet. So you've got your really powerful end on this side. You've got your flower end here, and you've got this end for doing your diagonal across the cat eye kind of thing. So this is really cool. And then the last 2 items in here are like really exciting. So this is a set of practice tips. So you put the tip on here, and then this goes on here, and they all like puzzle piece together. So you can set them up in sequence. Love this. Great for coming up with some of the ideas to use with some of these new products. And this thing here, which is really cool as well, is, do I have any up here? I don't even have any up here. Oh my gosh. This is got a peel and stick Velcro pad, which goes on the end here. And what do you do with this? When you go to clean your stamping plates, oh my gosh, when I've stamped my nails, and you can see here, I did do a stamping. When you stamp your nails, and then you need to use your nail polish remover to get the polish off of your plate, it's tricky because you have to try and get your cotton pad flat on the plate, but you also don't want it to come around and touch your nails because you just stamped them. So it's kind of tricky with nails trying to get the plate clean. So what this does is you put this on here, you put your cotton pad on this, you get it on your alcohol container or your nail polish remover container, and then you just take this and you rub this flat on the surface of your plate, and you get the whole plate really clean without your hands getting anywhere near any of the polish that you're trying to get off. Love it. Love, love, love. Now, can't wait to use this. Now, in addition to these, I also grabbed a few other items that were not in the box. I got some more of their stickers. So I got this pretty lace. I got the black lace and the white lace. And then they threw in an extra one of these for me, which I know I'm going to use. I also bought this. This is a pedicure file, which, yeah, I already used it. I know. I couldn't wait. So this is really nice because you can get a good grip on it. I just like I need a mouse that has this grip on it. But this side is super scratchy. So for getting all that dead skin off your heels. Love it. Works great. And then I also grabbed this kit, and this is the disposable nail prep set. Now we know what these are. We've probably got 1,000 of these, but this is what I thought was really cool. These are emery board paper with adhesive backing. So what you do is you peel the adhesive backing off and stick one of them on the end of the stick here. So when you're prepping your nail, you're pushing back your cuticle, and then this little guy, you can run around the edges to get any of that dead skin that's on the surface of the nail right up in there. Just gently buff that right off. And then this thing, when you did all 10, you peel it off and throw it away. So how many came in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and they have 10 pads on them. So that's a lot of manicures. So I thought that was really cool, and I look forward to using this too. So anyway, that's it for this box.